Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is random mutations. So, random mutations teaches that changes in life came from accidental DNA errors during reproduction, which supposedly drive evolution. This view says life arose by chance without purpose. Christianity, however, declares that God is the creator and sustainer of all life. While Christians may differ on how creation happened, what is certain is that life is not random but the result of God's purpose. Purposeful. Will nothing in creations is by accident. God is present in every cell, every breath, and every living being. So, ayon sa Bible's readings na Psalm chapter 139 verse 13 to 16, "For you created my inmost being. You knit me together in my mother's womb. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that fully well my frame was not hidden from you when I was made in the secret place, when I was woven together in the depths of the earth. Your eyes saw my unformed body. All the days ordained for me were written in your book before one of them came to be." So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, you are not an accident. So, hindi ka aksidente kahit circumstances ng pagkatao mo, whether planned or unplanned. God knew you and intended you to exist. May dahilan bakit ka andito sa mundo. Next is, you are wonderfully made by God. So, ikaw ay ginawa ng Diyos na kahanga-hanga. Lahat ng details sa'yo, itsura, talento, puso, personality ay carefully crafted by God. So, walang pagkakamali sa design niya sa'yo. Next is, you are designed for God's glory. So, ang pinaka-purpose ng buhay mo ay para magbigay kaluwalhatian sa Diyos. So, ang lahat ng ginawa nating pagmamahal, pagtulong, pag-abot ng dreams, dapat mag-reflect ng goodness at greatness niya. And next is applications. Embrace your unique traits and personality. And next is value yourself just as God values you. And lastly, fulfill your divine purpose as God's masterpiece. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.